This artwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up artworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. Thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build.
Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 63 of Building Robocop. In this issue, we're fitting the speaker to the body panel that we got last time. Looking through the magazine first, we've got the influence of Suhiro Otomo, Ninja Robot. I don't remember that. Is that from the second one? Third one? Third one. Yeah, third one. I don't remember the third one at all. I think my brain's just quietly closed it down. For some reason, the magazine pages are stuck together as well. Yeah. Yeah, all good things, but not so great. The Street Ganging 3, similarity with the Cyberpunk. Yeah, it was. Very much so. So yes, this is the speaker that we're fitting with the bracket into the chest cavity. So he can say his iconic lines like, dead or alive, you're coming with me. So there you go, that's that. That's where it goes, in case you didn't know where someone's chest was. That done soon. The logistics of online sales. Robotics in warehouses. Yeah, auto picking. Bit more efficient, faster. Paid less than people. Digital payments. Identify the shopper from the palm of their hand. Is that one up from fingerprints? Is it palm prints? I don't know. Yeah, electronic wallets, yeah, Apple Pay type things from phones. Cashless world, cashless society is not an idea of this century. 1950s in the US. I don't like the idea of cashless society. I like the feel of real money occasionally. So, right, let's clear this out of the way and let's get this speaker fitted. So, this is what we've got from last time. Obviously, we've got that piece. Obviously, the speaker is going to fit in there. That's what we have here, labelled C for speaker, obviously. That goes on there like that, and this bracket will hold that in place without interfering with the operation of it in any way. And that goes off over to that side. Like that. And we need two of these screws to hold it in place. Get two of those out. Third one, and a little card in there labelling it EP safely for next time or another time when I might need a spare screw. Get that one in there like that, and that one on the other side. If I can get that lined up properly first. That should go in there. And that will hold that secure for me. Both tightened up and we will be done. Another issue completed. A lot of these issues are very quick sections to the build. I think in this pack I've got finishing off the chest piece and continuing on with the waist a little bit further. So we're going to have to build up the inside of this and then fit the circuit board to it. So there we go. That's what I've done today. Not difficult at all. Very easy, in fact. So thank you very much for watching. I shall see you for more very, very soon. So stay safe. Bye-bye for now.